It's beginning to look a lot like July around here, at least for one day. The rains came through the metro area last night, but we're still a long ways off from where we need to be. News 13's David Romero is live in downtown Albuquerque with more. David?
Mike, it was finally nice to see that rain, and it's almost worth putting up with a muggy morning out here right now, but we are still not close to where we need to be for this time of year. Now, the official reading at the Albuquerque Sunport says all of yesterday's benefits came out to about 11/100ths of an inch of rain, but you wouldn't have thought that by looking around town. People from the Duke City making their way through downtown streets may have been caught off guard by the quick downpour. You can see in the video our photographers captured last night just how it looked around 8th and Lead. And, of course, we want to mention, too, that well, the rain is making my script stick together out here, but puddles on the streets were a good indication of how fast the water gathered along the roads. And as with all summer storms, the arroyos filled up and sent water gushing through the city and eventually down to the Rio Grande. But was yesterday's rain as beneficial as we thought?
You know, of course, everybody loved seeing the rain last night, and every little bit does help. Many areas in eastern Albuquerque, 5 miles east of Albuquerque, picked up almost 9/10 of an inch of rain, and then we had spotty areas picking up anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of rain, so that certainly helps, but still, normally by this time, we're at 4 inches or a little more than that, so we still have a long way to go, but again, every little bit does help.
And like Kristen said, every little bit does help. Right now, the skies overhead, it's pretty cloudy, and it looks like it would be one of those lazy mornings where you could just lay in bed and the potential for rain could come back later. And Mike, I didn't get a chance to hear you on that last break, but you just might get your wish and a little sprinkle might come down on us sometime this morning. Back to you.
I'm hoping it's more than a sprinkle, okay, David?
Exactly.
All right, thanks for that update. Now, the drought could continue to hurt us in spite of the rain because the ground is so dry. Instead of being absorbed, the water just runs off and could create the potential for flash floods in some areas.